Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin inside ML81N with the right authorizations. You need or service processing rights. Enter the plant and purchasing organization, then type the service PO or supplier ID to narrow results. Once the list appears, locate the service entry sheet you must change and open it in edit mode. Make sure the sheet is not in approved status. If it is, you will need reversal or release rights. This first step gets you directly into the object you will modify. Now you edit the service lines, change quantity, unit of measure, or performance date as required. Adjust account assignment, choose GL, cost center, or WBS element because incorrect postings cause reconciliation errors. Update price or tax fields only if PO permits, otherwise adjust PO first. Add attachments or notes for audit trail and validate totals at the bottom. As you work, use the check or simulation buttons to catch validation errors before saving to avoid partial post. Finish by saving the service entry sheet and confirm the posting status on the header. If approvals are needed, trigger the release workflow and monitor its progress. Make sure approvers have proper authorizations. Once released, invoices can be posted against the sheet. If you hit errors, check PO status and change history, verify your user authorizations, and review workflow or application logs for error messages. Contact the PO owner or basis team if the sheet remains locked or the release fails.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.